don't even want to make this video, but I need to make this because I need to express how frustrated I am with this figure. There are exactly 2 figures in my entire collection that I have had to pull out robo grips to complete the transformation. I'm using robo grips through a washcloth so that way I don't scratch the plastic. This part, this little part that I need to fully seat is the reason I have pulled out robo grips after spending 15 minutes at least fighting with it. And that's just like the sum. That's just like the summary. This transformation in a nutshell. This transformation is not fun. This engineering is not intuitive. I don't think any single individual you pull off the street would be able to design a well thought out transformation, especially for a figure that costs $200 or more. But whoever designed this does not deserve to design any figure ever again. This figure is so incredibly unfun. If I just the transformation alone, the transformation engineering alone, if it weren't for my video series that I'm filming right now, I would sell every single figure that I've gotten for this set so far. This is insufferably bad. I've never had a worse experience with a transformation than this. And I've transformed FANSTOYS Blitzwing. So yeah, it's really bad. And I don't think, even once the last figure comes out, that this figure, the combiner, will be justifiable in its price. I don't. Go buy X-Transbots or go buy Mastermind Creations, but do not buy this, because